Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss a stream API problem that is there are two objects given. So we have to transform one object into another. So we have employee object here as we'll see in the question, and we have to convert that into employee DTO. Okay. So we have a list of employees given and the outcome should be as employee DTO. So for that, we already have two classes. This is the employee class with ID name, and we have the constructor there, and also employee DTO, which also has ID and name as EMP ID and EMP name. Okay. So basically, what we need is in the question we have list of employees given, and we have to convert that into list of employee DTO. So we are just transforming the object. Okay. So how do we do this? So we will be getting a list of employees DTO, employees stream, and we will be using the map function because map function is used for transformation, and that is what we are supposed to do in the question. So E stands for the employee, and then we have to convert this into employee DTO. So new. So employee DTO takes EMP ID and EMP name, right? And employee has ID and name. So we have to map these ID and name to EMP ID and EMP name. So for that reason, we will be taking E dot ID from the employee and E dot name, right? Because we are able to do this because we have our constructor there, which is expecting or accepting ID and name, and same goes for the employee, right? So let's just print this. So we have given a list of employee and we are getting an employee DTO, right? For the same thing. So this is how you do this. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.